Alright everyone, today we are talking about the one and the only Parmigiano Reggiano, known as the king of cheeses. This Italian legend is here to rule your kitchen. What Parmigiano Reggiano is? Imagine a cheese that's aged, crumbly and packed with flavor. That's Parmigiano Reggiano in a nutshell. Unlike softer, creamier cheeses, this one's a solid block of nutty, slightly fruity goodness. Made from raw cow's milk, it's aged a minimum of 12 months, and some wheels go as long as 36 months. Think of it as a cheese that just gets better with age. Parmigiano Reggiano's been around for about 1000 years. It's a true Italian original, originating from the provinces like Parma, Reggiano, Emilia, Modena, and a few other select areas. This cheese is so special it's protected by the Italian government. They are serious about keeping it authentic, which is why real Parmigiano Reggiano is stamped and certified, no imitations allowed. And about the flavor and texture, what does it taste like? Oh, you are in for a treat. Parmigiano Reggiano is intense, a little salty and nutty with a hint of fruitiness. The texture is beautiful grainy, so it crumbles and shapes perfectly. This cheese loves the spotlight whenever it's grated over pasta or nibble in chunks with a glass of wine. And how to use it in kitchen? Parmigiano Reggiano is a multitasker. Grate it over pasta, risotto or soups for that extra layer of umami. Want a cheese board star? Break it into little chunks, perfect with honey, balsamics or figs. It's also the secret to a creamy Alfredo sauce and a must in pesto. And here is a pro tip, save those reeds. Pop them into your next soup for a flavor boost that will take it into the next level. So there you have it, Parmigiano Reggiano, the king you didn't know you needed in your kitchen. Want more real Italian cheesy content? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support the channel. Let's make your kitchen as epic as the cheese. Grazie mille!